Good morning. How are you? Fine, very good. Continue with your studies. Okay, you have to learn daily. Today we will learn social studies. Okay, what we are going to learn? Social studies. We will learn chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is Clean and Healthy. What is the name of the chapter? Clean and Healthy. Okay, I will teach you the importance of remaining clean and healthy. Shall we start? Okay. First of all, we will learn about our body. Okay? We must take care of our body. We must take care of your body. Your body should be taken care of. We must stay clean and healthy. Our body needs to stay clean and healthy. Thus, we can take care of our body. Now we will see what are the different methods to remain clean. Have a look. Keeping clean. We have to clean ourselves. How to clean? First one, brush your teeth in the morning and before going to bed at night. What should you do? You should brush your teeth in the morning and before going to bed. Okay, twice in a day you have to brush. You should brush 2 times in a day. When to brush? In the morning and before you go to the bed at night. Okay, this is one method. Then second method, what is that? Wash your hands before and after eating. What should you do? You should wash your hands. When you should wash your hands? Before and after eating. Before you eat, you must wash your hands, and you should wash your hands after eating. Then, after using the toilet, also you should wash your hands. Clear? You should wash your hands before eating. You should wash your hands after eating. And you should wash your hands after using the toilet. Ready to go? Okay. Third one. What is that? Take bath every day. What should you do? You should take bath every day. And how to take bath? What should you use to take the bath? You should use soap and water. You should take bath with soap and water. Okay. First one I told you. What should you do? You should brush your teeth. Number 2, you should wash your hands. Number 3, you should bath every day. Then number 4, what is that? You should cut your nails and keep them clean. What should you do? You should cut your nails and keep your nails clean. Okay, so what are the 4 things we learned? First one is you should brush your teeth. When to brush the teeth? In the morning and at night before you go to the bed. Number 2, you should wash your hands. When should you wash your hands? You should wash your hands before and after eating and after using the toilet. Then number 3, you should bath every day. You should take bath. How to take bath? With soap and water. We should take bath with soap and water. Then number 4, you should cut your nails and keep them clean. Your nails should be cut properly It should not be dirty. Okay, it should be clean. Then number 5, what should you do? You should use a clean towel to wipe yourself. After taking the bath, what should you do? You should use a clean towel and you should wipe your body. Then afterwards we should wear clean clothes. You should not wear dirty clothes, and take care that you will wear a dress for only one day, and on the next day it has to be washed properly. Before washing, you will not use the same dress again and again. Tell your parents if they are not doing. Okay, you should wear one pair of dress once only before washing. Okay, you should wear clean clothes. So what did we learn? First one, we should brush our teeth. Second one, we should wash our hands. Third one, we should take bath every day. Number 4, we should cut our nails. And number 5, we should wear clean clothes. And there are some more points. What are they? See here. Never share your toothbrush, comb, towel and hanky with anyone. Your toothbrush is yours only. You will not give it to anybody. Comb, you will comb your hair with your comb only. You will not take others' comb, and you will not give your comb to others. Towel with which you wipe yourself after bathing, that is yours. Don't share it with anybody. Hanky, you clean your nose with the hanky now, that is only yours. You will not give it to anybody. Okay, don't share these things. And it can make us ill if you share it. What will happen if you share your toothbrush, comb, towel or hanky with anybody? You will be ill. You will fall sick if you give your things to anybody. Okay, so shall we continue? Okay, now we will learn about staying healthy. How can we stay healthy? Look here. What to do to stay healthy? We must do exercise every day. What should you do? Exercise. Do you do exercise daily? No, but you must do it. Okay, along with your parents, you also should do the exercise daily so that you can be healthy. Running, swimming and playing keep us healthy. Along with the exercise, you can have running or swimming or playing. These things also keep us healthy. How can we do the exercise? Exercises are many types. Along with the exercise, you can run or swim or play. All these things also will keep you healthy and fit. Okay, now we will learn about rest and sleep. Do you take rest daily? Yes, good students. And do you sleep daily? Yes, very good. And do you sleep during the day or night? Okay, all of us sleep at night, but during day in the summer or you can sleep for some time. Okay, that gives you rest. Clear? We must rest when we are tired. When we feel tired, what should we do? We should take rest. And we must sleep for 8 hours every night. How much time should you sleep at night? We should sleep for 8 hours in every night. And our body gets rest when we sleep. Why should we sleep? We should sleep because our body gets rest when we sleep, and rest is very necessary for us. Otherwise, what will happen? We will be tired. And to be healthy and fit, rest and sleep is also important. Okay, so there are some points you should remember. What are they? We must eat fresh and clean food. What type of food should you eat? You should eat fresh and clean food. Don't take the food from the market which is opened. That is not clean. Okay, and don't eat yesterday's rice. That is not fresh. That may have germs in it. You can fall ill. Okay, then we must drink clean water. You must drink clean water. Why to drink clean water? Otherwise you will fall ill. If we drink dirty water, what will happen? You will be ill. So what type of water should you drink? You should drink clean water, and you should eat fresh and clean food. Okay, understood? We have completed the chapter. So let us see what did we learn. What are the things we learned? Number 1, we must eat fresh and clean food. Did you learn it? Yes. Always you should eat fresh and clean food. Number 2, we must drink clean water. What type of water should you drink? Clean water. Number 3, we must rest when we are tired. What should you do when you are tired? You should take rest. Okay. Then number 4, we must sleep for 8 hours every night. What time you should, at how long should you sleep? You should sleep for 8 hours in the night. Okay, at night you should sleep 8 hours. Number 5, our body gets rest when we sleep. Why should we sleep? Because when we sleep, our body gets rest, and that rest is very important for us. Okay, so we have come to the end of today's class. What did you learn? You learned about keeping clean and remaining healthy and fit. So follow all these things and be healthy and clean. Okay, take care of yourself. Bye.